My name is Benedict Opala. I have a foundation in electrical electronics engineering. I'm a co-founder and chief innovation officer at Rubitec Academy Limited. At Rubitec Academy Limited, we work towards localizing the assembly and manufacturing of inverter systems in Nigeria. The SPVI training has exposed me and most of us to what it means to be a good installer in the renewable energy sector. I've also learned how to, the basic knowledge which is required for me to gain, that is the sizing, the introduction to energy systems, and subsequently the practical aspect of the whole stuff. Thank you.
The training was an immensely impactful training for me. We started from the theoretical aspect of the training, where we saw all aspects of to build a solar system. We looked at the solar panels, to the batteries, to the controllers. After the theoretical section, we were able to do a practical section where we actually built a solar system outside, and we were able to generate power and DC power and then convert it to AC with an inverter. For me, I feel like that was the icing on the cake. Most trainings don't actually go to the practical aspect, but this training was able to take us on the practical aspect where we actually built a solar system. And I feel like if not for that opportunity, I may not have been able to say I gained the knowledge I gained from this training. So I'll say that this was a wonderful training for me, and then the practical aspect was really the icing on the cake.
Yes, my expectations were met. I mostly in the aspect of the designing of systems, sizing of systems. I really enjoyed those sessions, and I look forward to going deeper into it, getting to use the softwares beyond just sizing. We can getting to use the softwares and work on sizing and designing of solar systems.
First, I want to say thank you to all on for their support for the energy program, not just in Nigeria, all over the world, and I really want to thank them for the opportunity to be able to expand my knowledge horizon in the renewable energy sector, and as well, gain more knowledge and gain more certification in the renewable energy sector.
Okay, thank you very much. So lastly, I will ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how can you rate this training so far?
Well, on a scale of 1 to 10, I will rate this training on a 9 on a scale of 10.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would rate them 8.59.
Well, 1 to 10, I'll give them 9.
Okay, so I'll rate this program 10, and I'm not being biased at that, because I enjoyed every aspect of it. I enjoyed the training. The organization was fantastic, right from calling from where my location, getting myself down here. The entire enrollment process was really fantastic. I had all the help I needed. The catering was superb. Yes, and then I got to meet people who are very, very fantastic and enthusiastic about the sector, who know what they're doing. We had industry experts come to take us on our training, so it has been really, really impactful.